Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail storage full. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Advanced over here at the top. Then you're going to go here where it says Contains. Then you're going to click on Attachment and Photo. Then click on Search. So this will filter out all of the emails that has an attachment or photos. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go through all of these emails and then you're going to check if the attachments, the photos, or the email itself is unnecessary anymore or you don't need those anymore. So if you don't need them, just click on the checkbox over here at the side in order to select them. Then just do the same for all of the emails that you can delete. And after that, just click on delete over here at the top. So basically what we're doing is we're deleting the emails that we don't need anymore because these emails, especially the ones with attachments, make our storage full. So after you've done that, you can click on inbox again over here at the left. Then you can also check your emails here if there's any here that you don't need anymore. Then you're gonna go back here to the left side, then click on trash, and then you're going to click on the checkbox over here at the very top in order to select everything. Then click on delete over here at the top. Then click on OK. So remember that whenever you delete an email, it goes here to the trash. So you also want to clear up your trash because that also adds up to the storage. So that's it. Thanks for watching.